Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today's plant is Parijat flower. This plant is also called night jasmine and coral jasmine in English. Today I will tell you how to take care of a Parijat plant from growing to blooming season. After winter we had uploaded 2 videos about this plant. So this video is a continuation of the old videos. Just after the repotting, these are the new leaves that came on the plant. Previously, because of pinching, we made this plant very bushy and healthy. Today it's the mid of September, so today we will do last time pinching. And today we will give some special fertilizer to this plant which will help this plant to bloom beautiful flowers in October. Instead of this, we will also answer some questions like reasons for Parijat plant to not flower, Parijat not blooming on time, fertilizers needed for growing Parijat plant, and how do we prune our Parijat plant. Previously, I have told you that the October and the November are the perfect for flowering season of this plant. So September is the last month you should prune your plant. Now I will tell you main 3 reasons for Parijat plant not flowering. First cause is lack of sunlight. It needs 6 to 7 hours of sunlight daily. Second is lack of fertilizer. So see today what fertilizers my mom are giving for this plant to give more flowers and to bloom more. This plant does not like to be overwatered, so only water the plant when the topsoil is dry. Now some other common questions are, can Parijat grow from cuttings? To grow the Parijat plant from cuttings, you need to get a few cuttings of around 6 to 8 inches which are slightly brown. Then fill a container with fast draining potting soil and plant the cuttings, covering it with bag to retain heat and moisture. Second is, can we grow Parijat plant at home? Yes, you can grow Parijat plant at home. You can use 16 inches pot for this plant, and if you like you can also use 10 inches pot. Now I will tell you the soil requirement for growing Parijat flowers. Parijat plant prefers well-drained, moist soil. However, you can go for a loamy to sandy soil amended with organic matter. Also, make sure to time dig the soil for aeration. Aeration will help the plant to grow better. Now, I will tell you the fertilizer required for your Parijat plant. Feed the Parijat plant with organic fertilizer once a month during the main growing season. Loosen the topsoil without disturbing the plant's roots so it can absorb nutrients and moisture easily. My mom always prefers homemade fertilizer for any kind of plants. When my mom had repotted the plant, my mom had mainly given kitchen waste compost to this plant. Instead of this, my mom has also given vegetable peel liquid fertilizer to this plant. But today, the fertilizer we are gonna give is going to help your plant bloom and flower more. Okay, now let's see what fertilizer my mom is giving. This is the homemade kitchen waste compost fertilizer. Next, my mom is adding dry eggshell powder. You all know what fertilizer it is. Yes, it is the dry banana peel fertilizer. Now, time for the main magical fertilizer. The last is mustard seed added with some dried powdered groundnuts. Add that in and mix all those very well. Now give a handful of this fertilizer to your plant. This will help your plant to fulfill any kind of nutrient deficiency. We have already uploaded a lot of videos on Parijat or Harsingar plant. So we will give you the playlist link on the end screen. I hope this video helped you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.